Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing well at your places. Myself Ashima Choudhary, student of M.Sc Fruit Science. I am presenting a presentation on topic Biodiversity and Conservation of Prunus species, that is plum. Before commencing, I would like to thank Dr. Prashant Bakshi sir for his immense dedication for providing quality education in the time of pandemic. I am highly grateful to you, sir. Here are the content of the presentation. Status of biodiversity of plum. Scientific name Prunus domestica. Genus Prunus. Subgenus Prunophora. Family Rosaceae. Subfamily Prunoideae. Origin China. Cultivated plum Prunus domestica, European plum, a natural hybrid between Prunus ceracifera and Prunus spinosa. Prunus salesiana, commonly called Japanese plum. Diversity of origin. 5 centers of origin for plum are European plum, Prunus domestica, Europe. Damson plum, Prunus incititia, Western Asia. Cherry plum, Prunus ceracifera, Central Asia. Japanese plum, Prunus salesiana, China. American plum, Prunus americana, North America. Classification. Prunus is classified into Prunoceraceous, American plum, and U. prunus, European and Japanese plum. Based on specific traits like flower numbers per bud, physical characteristics of stone, and orientation of leaves in the bud. U. prunus has 6 species and are diploid to hexaploid, originated from Europe and Asia. Prunoceraceous has 13 species and are diploids, originated from America. Species Prunus domestica, commonly called European plum and common plum. Prunus domestica with chromosome number 2n equals to 48 is a natural hybrid between Prunus ceracifera with chromosome number 2n equals to 16 and Prunus spinosa with chromosome number 2n equals to 32. Prunus ceracifera has its graft compatibility in many species, hence it is a progenitor. It is cultivated in higher altitudes. The characteristics of Prunus domestica are they are grey-black in color, flower borne in pairs, and fleshy drupe with smooth stone. 2 subspecies of Prunus domestica are known. First, Prunus domestica subspecies domestica, Prunus domestica subspecies incititia. Here are the picture of Prunus domestica and its subspecies. Japanese plum, scientifically called Prunus salesiana. Japanese plum has been introduced into Japan. Low chilling types are found in southern China and Taiwan. Japanese plums, Prunus salesiana, are characterized by early blooming, early fruit maturity, and are sensitive to frost injury. American plum, scientifically called Prunus americana. American plum group Prunus americana, Prunus hyemales, and Prunus ignota exhibits small to medium tree with stout twigs or spine-like growth. Prunus americana is the common wild plum and most widely spread amongst the American plum species. Prunus maritima Beach plum was grown in northern coast of America. Prunus subquadrata, common name Pacific plum, Syrah plum, is the only edible plum which is the native to the west coast region. Other species are Prunus americana, common name American plum, Prunus brigantina, common name alpine plum, is a shrub or a small tree. Prunus ansu and Prunus mume is grown in eastern China and Japan. Prunus mumes common name includes Chinese plum, Japanese plum and Japanese apricot. Prunus sorberica is cold resistant. Prunus fasciculata and Prunus minutiflora are dioecious. Prunus dasycarpa is a natural hybrid between Prunus ceasefire and Prunus americana. Here are the pictures of the Prunus species: Prunus ceracifera, Prunus spinosa and Prunus americana. Prunus ceracifera, Myroblan and Prunus salsiana, commonly called Japanese plum. Some more cultivars of plum shown are Prunus subquadrata, Prunus pisci and Prunus humilis. Distribution of plum. Plum is mainly grown in the region of Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh. The promising cultivars of plum in major production region of India are as following: Jammu Kashmir, Satsuma, Santa Rosa, Burbank, Grand Duke, Titron. Himachal Pradesh, Kalse, Santa Rosa, Titron, Mariposa. Uttar Pradesh, Jamuni, Kalse, Santa Rosa, Titron. In northern Indian plains, small fruited cultivars like Titron, Kalan Amritsari, Kalse and Alu Bukhara showed better performance. Distribution of plum in India. The plum is mainly grown in Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh. The map shown in the picture depicts the following region where the varieties of plum are grown in abundance. Research on pome and stone fruits is conducted mainly by the state agriculture universities, namely Sher-e-Kashmir University for Agriculture Sciences and Technology, Jammu and Kashmir, Dr. Y.S. Pramar University for Horticulture and Forestry, Himachal Pradesh, G.B. Pant University for Agriculture and Technology, Uttarakhand. Alu Bukhara is found in western Himalayas and originated from the cross between Prunus domestica and Prunus incitiata. Geographical indicator for plum in India are plums Alu Bukhara, Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand is known for the list of fruits grown in hill slopes of Himalayas such as peaches, plums and apricot. Mukteshwar and Ramgarh are known for beautiful orchids of Indian apples, Indian pears, plum, peach, chestnut and apricot. Health benefit of Alu Bukhara are improve cardiovascular health, fight cancer cells, improve bone health, improves blood circulation, improves vision and relieves constipation. Interspecific crossing and hybrids in Prunus are plumcots are hybrids between apricot and European plum. Genetically, it bears 50% traits of apricot and 50% traits of plum. Aprium has been also produced by crossing a plumcot and apricot, which exhibits 75% traits of apricot and only 25% trait of plum. On the other hand, Pluot is a hybrid produced from cross between a plumcot and a plum, with 75% trait of plum and 25% trait of apricot. Apium and pluot were developed in 1990 through intricate hybridization. Cultivars: red velvet, royal velvet, plum parfait and flavor are plum cords. Flavor king, flavor supreme and flavor rosa are pluots. GF1869 is a hybrid of Prunus domestica and Prunus spinosa. Junior is a hybrid of Prunus incititia and Prunus domestica. Cherry plum have been derived from Prunus besai and Prunus pumila. Genetic resources: Prunus salsiana, common name Japanese plum, more vigorous, productive, precocious and resistant to diseases with good fruit size, flavor, color and keep quality. Prunus simonoides are famous for its firmness and acidity. Prunus ceracifera, self-fertile, small size fruit, earliness and cold hardiness. Prunus americana, they are disease resistant, have tough skin and aromatic flavor. Myroblan are resistant to crown rot and drought. Myroblan 29C are immune to root knot nematodes. Myroblan B are vigorous tree and they delay ripening. Prunus genetic resources, management and conservation strategies are: Decentralized European Prunus Collection (DEPC) was established with the agreement that each country is responsible for its own genetic resources. A European Gene Bank Integrated System (AEGIS) was also an initiative by the ECPGR with the objective to conserve genetically unique and important accessions for Europe. Ex situ or in situ management, in vitro cultural maintenance, cryopreservation. The temperature for cryopreservation is -196 degrees Celsius. Seed storage, pollen storage, establishment of seed, orchids for rootstocks. Plum germplasm available in the gene bank at NBPGR Regional Station Shimla are AU Rosa, AU Cheru, Grand Prize, Black Umber, Queen Anne, Fortune, Monarch, Plum Beauty, Tarol, Red Plum, etc. Native American species or their hybrids are more hardy, late blooming, small fruit size and adapted to Northern American areas. Cultivars namely Pershore, French Damson, Stanley, Golden Transparency, Giant Prune, Victoria are self-fruit cultivars namely Satsuma, Black Champa, Renclaud, Italian Prune, Frontier are self-unfruitful cultivars namely Beauty, Early Oriens are partial self-fruit. Recommended cultivars in India are Sweet Early, Methle, Red Beauty, Santa Rosa, Beauty, Frontier. Here are the picture of the various cultivars: President, Victoria, Santa Rosa, Green Gig. Important questions. What is the scientific name of plum? Prunus domestica. Origin of plum? China. What is the natural hybrid between Prunus ceracifera and Prunus spinosa? European plum. In how many types plum is classified? It is classified into two types, that is Prunus cerasus, American plum, and U. prunus, European and Japanese plum. What is the chromosome number of Prunus domestica? The chromosome number is 2n equals to 48. What are the characteristics of Japanese plum? Early blooming, early fruit maturity, and sensitive to frost injury. Where are plums mainly grown in India? Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, and Uttar Pradesh. What are the parent species of Aloo Bukhara? The parent species of Aloo Bukhara are Prunus domestica and Prunus incititia. That's all about plum. Thank you.